So what is the crisis of the rule of law in Europe right now that should most worry us? If courts can be instructed by ministers of justice, all other rights, the right to free speech, the right to assembly, the right to criticize our government, the right to do things in business which are legal but are not to the liking of some powerful people with connections, all these rights are at risk. And so it is terrifying for the European Union and an existential threat to the idea that all EU laws are applied and defended by independent courts everywhere in the EU. If one government creates a system where the Minister of Justice, a politician, not only directly controls all prosecutors that bring a charge, but also can discipline, threaten, and punish all judges in the country. And this is what has been happening in the last few years in Poland. And this is what the European Court of Justice in Luxembourg has warned about, that it will defend the rule of law, which means fundamentally the independence of courts and judges against pressure from governments. This is existential for the European Union. And how can we do it? Well, the big debate is, how do we strengthen the European Court of Justice when it makes a judgment that we can be sure, a judgment that says that in some country the rule of law and the independence of courts is at risk, will be implemented. And this is what we are proposing.